In this video, I would like to show you how to make a deposit on your trading account on the Ultima Markets account. After you have created an account with the Ultima Markets and you have opened a trading account, you can see that here, I have opened MT4, a trading account, which is a standard account. And if it is needed, you can open still more of these accounts. But currently I have only one open account, and to make a deposit on this account you can go here to the home page and then clicking the deposit button. Currently my account balance is $0 because I have not deposited anything, but clicking on the button deposit you will go to the next step. Here you have a new page. It is under the funds, and here you have many options. In this case I would like to make a deposit, and below that you have an account which is available currently. If you have more than one account, it will be listed here. But in my case I have only one account, and then I will enter the amount. I will enter $500 because I would like to deposit that amount and to get a bonus also. I can get 100% deposit bonus, which means if I deposit $500, I will get also $500 as a bonus. So I will have $1,000 on my trading account. So in this case I would like to continue. Clicking continue button, there is a new page which shows you more details, and that means select which option you would like to use to make a deposit. You can use a credit card, which is recommended. Then you can also use a crypto, potentially if you have crypto assets that you would like to deposit, and then after that you can also use Apple Pay or Google Pay. In my case I will use credit card, debit card, and clicking continue. Then there will be more options. There is completed the form below and press submit, and after entering your card details press submit. So I will deposit $500 and I will click pay now. Let's see what happens after that. Then you have here a credit card number. I will enter my details for the credit card and I will click deposit. After a few seconds, after you have confirmed this transaction, then you get an information that congratulations, your deposit was successful. And you can see the amount, and you can see the transaction ID, and then I am redirected to my trading account. And you can see that I have currently $500 on my trading account. Back to home page, and you will see that currently I have total estimate $600 US. I will need to check why I have 600, but usually the reason is immediately when you make a deposit you get 20% on your trading account as a bonus. But there is also a promotion that I can get $100% as a bonus, so I will also move to the next step and to get that. To get it, you get here to the promotions, and here inside the promotions you can see which are currently ongoing, and I will select this one, 100% deposit. And you can see that immediately I got here 20% as a bonus. So I will like to get 100% deposit bonus. I will contact their support to give me that percentage. So that is all what it is needed to get the bonus and also to make a deposit on your trading account. After that you can go to the MetaTrader 4 and you will see that your trading account is deposited with this amount and you can start trading. If you have any questions regarding this process, how to make a deposit on the Ultima Markets, feel free to leave a comment, and also you can send me a private message with your question. I will answer as soon as possible. One thing that I would like to mention is that if there is any issues, if you are if you are depositing for the first time, maybe there is a step process that you need make some kind of uploading your documents just to verify you as a person. So after that it will be free to deposit on your trading account. If there is any issues, also always check here their customer support, so they can help you to answer any questions that you have, so you can easily deposit the money on your trading account. That's all for this video. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.